Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a workspace in the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Slack app. And then it opens up in the home menu where we have our channels, our direct messages and teammates with some tips as well. From here, we just swipe to the right, and here we can check our workspaces. Now I only have one, but if we go to the bottom of the page that opened, we can tap on add a workspace in the bottom, and now we have three options. We can either sign into another workspace, we can join another workspace, or we can create a new workspace. We tap on create a new workspace and then select what email we want to link it to, and then just create another one by continuing the steps. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.